My name is Vedant Bhatte.
And my name is Nanon.
We are from class 7, School of Scholars, Vanadoli. We have made a simple model. Nowadays, the farmers at night they are going to sleep, but there is a danger that their farms may be destroyed by wild animals or birds. If they keep a person to guard their farm, then also that person may be harmed by the wild animals. Or if he is having the option of electric fencing, then the animals may be harmed. Or if we also do normal fencing, then also the animal may stuck in it and die. For that, we have made a simple module.
The material name is the LEDR, laser light and buzzer with connected by Arduino. It starts and its laser light goes by there and it's cut when the animal goes here the buzzer will start to ringing and the farmer will attention. That's why this is.
When this laser is going on LDR sensor, when somebody or animals come in the path of the laser light, then the LDR sensor will detect it, give command to powerhouse, and the buzzer and lightings will start to glow. From that, animal will be fed, and will be farmer will be known that somebody is there in his farm. And the second problem is of birds. What if birds come in the path of laser? The birds are flying, but laser cannot go that high to see the birds. For that, we have made a solution and applied IR sensor which will detect the birds coming towards the crops, and it will give command to powerhouse. From that, the buzzer and the lights will start to glow. Now the next problem is the laser and sensor, buzzer, lighting, all of these are taking electricity. So what about electricity? In this module, does electricity waste? So answer is no, because this module works on solar power, in which it charged in day when there are farmers in the farm, and at night it works, or we can use this in day also. Thank you.